Let's read more words. Basic sight words. Basic sight words. In, in, in. On, on, on. Sits, sits, sits. Big, big, big. Bib, bib, bib. Yellow, yellow, yellow. After, after, after. Under, under, under. Ball, ball, ball. Basket, basket, basket.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCAD Tutorial Services.